back again, working on this thing. I got some new fuel lines from FCP Euro. If you see over here the lines, the arrows on the these fuel lines, I believe this arrow is going in, pointing in. This arrow is pointing down, so it's going out. I have no idea which one goes to which in the car. We're gonna find out. I guess since I got the clutch in and all that stuff, let's get started on throwing it inside the car. So I got the car in the air, and now I just need to get these engine mounts removed. I used a 16. Oops. 16 with a swivel socket. Alright, got the new Condor Speed Shop engine mounts here. Is it going like that? I don't know. I don't care.
Actually, it goes in the other way.
Oh, you can adjust to where it is.
That's cool, I guess.
Do an engine swap, they said. It'll be easy and fun, they said. Yeah. Yes, I got it. The second one. Second Condor Speed Shop. Condor Speed Shop. So I believe goes in like that.
Ooh, first try, bitch.
The torque values for these bolts on the bottom are 8 to 10 foot-pounds. I believe that's what the little card thing that came with this said, so. Fuck. I'm really tired. Alright. So now both of these engine mounts are in. Torque to spec. Now we're gonna go ahead and start putting the engine on. Got the engine up. It's 3 hours later. Main issue was this: the shaft for the steering was not clearing at all. Probably would have been better to have 2 people help me out, but you know what? It's okay. We're good. Now all I gotta do is just line these mounts up. Hopefully that one will clear, and then well, the engine will officially be installed. Well, I still gotta get all those mounts in the back for the transmission, but yeah. This mount put on wrong. It's supposed to be flipped. So let me fix that up. With a lot of perseverance, I got 1 bolt. Oh, you can't really see it, but it's in there. Trust me. So let me get the second side, and then the engine will officially be in. Doing this by yourself is not recommended. I definitely would recommend getting a second hand because moving the transmission with the jack, it's not helpful. But yeah, if you were to do this, make sure you have a second set of hands. Come on, bitch. Yeah! And with that, the engine is officially in, I guess. Just gotta remove the stand. So I got them. I hand tightened them, but I haven't bolted them down yet. So, yeah, that's that. The engine is officially in. Ooh. Oh, fuck. Yeah, definitely need a second person to do that. Also, these chains, get something different because, I mean, they work, and they're more secure, but it's a bitch to get behind that wall area. So I'm gonna call it a day. I'm tired.
Te echaste un buen crudo, non.
Fuck this. Welcome back. This is day 6, day 7, I don't know, day whatever. Back again working on this car. So the engine is finally in. Got the transmission hooked up. All the mounts are in. Look at that. Look at that. Candor speed check. All the things are in. Next thing I'm gonna do is the what's it called? The Asc Delete. Essentially what it is I remove the second throttle body from here. Now the issue with this one is you can see it's missing the plastic pieces to hook up the throttle cable. So ordered this one off eBay. It's a new, hey, has my name on it. Yeah. It has the plastic pieces on here. I don't know if it's supposed to go to I don't know if it's supposed to go to which one it is. I think they all work the same. But yeah, so pull that one off, put this one on, attach all the hoses and stuff, and then we're gonna finally get onto wiring. Almost forgot I have the M50 Manifold Conversion Kit on there, so I gotta pull this bad boy out so we can stick it back in there. Ooh, yeah. Ooh. It looks like I'm missing some throttle cable bushings, so no biggie. You know, works, but it's something I gotta order as well. Let's put this back together, and then we'll give it to the wiring. You would think that just grab this and just wire it up like that, but that's not how this works. So hopefully I got this in the right orientation. I just kind of figured the bigger bolt or bigger nut, the bigger hole goes in here, and the small one I'm just gonna leave to the side. Let me put this ground on, because I legit do not know what the fuck I'm doing. But yeah, so the next thing I need to do is get the DMA hooked up. Figure out the wiring for over here for this side. I have to look up. Someone did a video. I'll link who did it on how to wire this properly. There's a connector I need to pull out. But yeah, I think I can try to start it today. Maybe give it a little crank and see if it at least cranks, and then you know, go from there. Alright, now comes the confusing part. So this is the X20 plug for the OBD1 chassis, which is what my car is, an OBD1 chassis. This is the X6031 plug, and this is the X20 plug. These two are for the actual for the actual engine. There was a guy, I forgot his name, I'll link it in the description. This is his what he says to do for the pinout. So what's cool about these is that you can't really see it. It's kind of hard, but these pins are actually numbered. Same with these pins, they have numbers on them. So it's not too hard. You just gotta go get pin number 8 from this OBD1 plug, and then put it to a pin number 1 on these X031. Yeah, that's and then what's it called? Get the pin number 14 from here onto the X20 pin number 9 on this plug. I couldn't really find any write-ups on it, so that's the best way I can do it. So let's get to unpinning. If anything, I can just cut a wire to the wire. If anything, I can cut a wire and just bring it if it's too short. But we'll see how it goes. Basically, just tracing the wires, seeing which one is what. Pin number 8 is over here on the bottom. So, after fucking hours, I got the pin out, but unfortunately, I kind of ruined it with my needle nose pliers. So now this is pin 8. Now I got to connect it to the EXO. This pin. Need to find a way to get it in here. Yeah, let's I guess I'll just connect it right now. The thing with BMWs, they're so fun to work with sometimes. They can also be the biggest pain in the ass. There we go. That's on. So pin number 1, let's see. Pin number uno is in the top. Might need to just cut a wire. Fuck. There you go. Pin number 9 goes to pin number 14. Get that in there. Fucking cut that shit, boy. Alright. So I wired it in. So what I did was I basically got the wire from this connector. I just heat gun and electrical taped it on with some wire to the bottom of that connector, and then this top one just wrapped some electrical tape around just to protect it. So I don't recommend doing it this way because it looks all janky and it looks stupid. If anything, crimp it with some crimpers. Unfortunately, I don't have any crimpers. Just these little connectors, and I don't feel like, and they're too big for these small ass wires. So that's it for the wiring for that part. Now I just need to connect the ECU, and then we can fire it up just for a little bit because this doesn't have any oil or cooling system. Oh yeah, I need to connect this mass airflow sensor, and then let's just see if it'll work. Honestly, I'm not really expecting much, or anything. Take the battery. Well, at least it cranks. It's not turning over. I'm kind of scared to just fucking turn it on. So, still trying to figure out why it's not starting. I went under and found that, can't really see it. I crimped off my can't really see it, but I crimped off my my fuel line. So maybe that's why it's not getting fuel. So I'm gonna remove that and then do another startup. The leaky fuel injector. Right there. Huh. Gotta see what's up with that. Maybe it's not on properly. Well, she fucking started for like half a second, but then I got scared and I turned it off. That injector is still leaking fuel. I don't know why. But doing like baby steps. Dude, that was weird. It just like started for like half a second, but then I turned it off because I was scared of my brake.
Te echaste un buen crudo, non.